Hello, this is Dawson here. Today I'm going to explain how Slack works with Martin and how you can integrate your Slack workspace with Martin. So basically, once you integrate your Slack, he can do two types of things for you. One is he can actually use your Slack account to do all the things that you can do, like read messages from channels, react to messages, send messages. But then you can also DM Martin on Slack, and that's just reaching Martin just like you would text him via SMS or email him. So we'll demo both of those features. First, let's just show how to integrate Martin with your Slack. So you go to the integrations panel and you go to the Slack tab and you press Connect Workspace. And this will ask for your workspace. So I'm just going to use our Martin Slack. And you'll have to sign in with your account. Okay, and you're basically just giving Martin permissions to do everything as you and also exist as an app in your Slack workspace. So once you press allow, it'll send you back to the web app, and now we can do some Slack actions. So for instance, you can, let's say, send a Slack direct message. Let me send one to Ethan. Hello there. When do you want to grab dinner tonight? And then Martin will draft the message for you, and you can actually edit the message before sending it tomorrow night. Okay, Command Enter to send, and then he basically just sent this to Ethan from your account, so from Dawson's account. So in addition to this type of function, by the way, this you can do via SMS and email as well, or phone call. You can call Martin over the phone and go over your Slack messages with him. But you can also, if we go into my Slack, talk to the Martin app. And this is literally the same as just using Martin. So you can say, hey, Martin, set a reminder for me to head home in 2 hours. Also, draft an email to founders requesting that they add more integrations to Martin. So you just set the reminder, and we can go back and check the web app whether he did that or not. And okay, he's drafted the email. What's the body of the draft? Okay, so this is what he drafted for us. And so this would have been saved in my Gmail, but I can just have him just go ahead, send that. Okay, looks like it worked. So again, there's like two ways Martin can integrate with your Slack, and it's all done in one integration. One is you can use Martin in your Slack as one of your apps, you can DM him, and two, you can actually instruct him to perform actions as your Slack account. So let's just double check that he actually set that reminder. It looks like it's right here, head home. And we can check that email as well. See if we received something from Martin. And here we go. This is the email that we sent using Martin. Okay. And just one final thing, in the integration settings for Slack, you can also add some additional preferences, just like with our other services. So for instance, you can give them context on what each channel is doing. So for example, I've written our customer complaints and questions are always submitted to the app feedback channel. And you can also connect as many workspaces as you want, similar to Inbox and Calendar. Okay, that's about it.